In this video, you'll learn how to log into Indeed so you can quickly get to your job search, save jobs and applications without any confusion. Whether you're using Indeed for the first time in a while, or you just want a clear walkthrough, we'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you know exactly what to do. First, you'll need to open Indeed. You can do this in a couple of ways. On a computer, open your web browser, such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and type Indeed.com into the address bar at the top of the screen, then press enter. On a phone or tablet, you can either open your browser and go to the same web address, or if you have the Indeed app installed, tap the app icon to open it. Once Indeed is open, you should see the homepage with a search bar for job titles and locations. Next, you want to find and click Sign In. On a computer, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a sign in option there. Click it once, and that will take you to the login page. If you're using the app, look for a sign in button on the main screen, usually near the bottom or sometimes at the top corner. Tap that to move to the login screen. Now you're on the sign in page, and this is where you enter your email and password. In the first field, type the email address you used when you created your Indeed account. Take a second to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the email, because that can sometimes cause login issues. In the next field, enter your password exactly as you set it up. Passwords are case sensitive, which means capital and lowercase letters must match. If you're on a private device that only you use, you can choose to let your browser or app remember your login details, but avoid this on shared or public computers for security reasons. If you start typing your password and you're not sure it's correct, many browsers and apps have a small eye icon next to the password field. Tapping or clicking that icon will let you briefly see what you've typed, which can help you double check for mistakes. If you realize you can't remember your password at all, look for a forgot password link on this same page. That will walk you through resetting it, usually by sending a reset link to your email address. Once your email and password are entered correctly, go ahead and click sign in again. On the website, this will be a button below the fields. In the app, you'll tap the sign in button on the screen. After a moment, you should be taken to your Indeed account, where you can see your profile, save jobs, and any applications you've submitted. If the page refreshes and you're not logged in, check for any error message at the top of the screen. It might say that the email or password is incorrect. In that case, carefully retype your details and try again, or use the password reset option if needed. That's all there is to it. By opening Indeed, clicking sign in, entering your email and password, and clicking sign in again, you can quickly access your account and get back to your job search.